So before I show you how to edit this 3D text effect, if you're interested in getting my 22-in-1 or my 18-in-1 or my 8-in-1 party flyer, please do well to check the description of this video. Okay, so let me show you how to edit this text. So the first thing you need to do is to hit on this what's it called, this icon here, this little icon here, double click on it, and let's change the text. As you can see, we don't have this font installed in my computer, so go to your browser and type in the name of this font and click on enter. Now you can download the font for yourself. Okay, so let me just show you real quick on how you can download this font. So my font has been downloaded. The next thing I'll need to do is to install this font. So let me just install it real quick, and let's move over to the design and try to edit one more time. And you can see the font has been installed on my system. So we can just make this we can just call this 3D text. Okay, and press Ctrl X to save, Ctrl S to save, sorry. Then go back to the initial interface, and you can see the text has been changed. Okay, so let's just do one more example. So for this, we just have to double click on this icon, and let's call this effect. Okay, and we can press Ctrl S to save. So move over to this interface, and you can see the text has been changed. So let me just show you a simple trick. Turn this off and turn this off. So let me take off this this effect, this what's it called, this text over here, and bring this down and turn this off. So if you want to make a kind of curve to this text, what you have to do is to press Ctrl Alt Shift and E to make the design stand alone. You can hide this bottom layer and press Ctrl T. Okay, so we can just right click and say perspective, and we can make our text look like this. And also we can play with this by using the warp tool to turn this like this. So whatever way it works for you, you can just play with your text. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you do, please give this video a like and comment in the comment section below. Tell me what you want me to upload next, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.